How to speed up your computer. Top 8 tips and tricks for speeding up your computer. In this quick video, I'm going to show to you how you can speed up your computer easily and faster. So without waste of time, let me start. 1. Disable the startup apps. Move down on Start. Click on Settings. Type to search Startup. Click to open. Now here are apps that start up with your computer. Go on turn off every app that you don't want to start up with your computer. This will make your machine boot faster without any delay. 2. Uninstall unwanted apps or software. To do this, right-click on Start. Here select Installed Apps. Now to uninstall unwanted apps. In this right corner, click on these 3 dot lines and the select Uninstall. That's it. 3. Adjust the power options. Right-click on Start. Here select Power option. Now under Power mode, you can see it's in balance. We have to change this to Best Performance. This will make your computer run faster 100%, though it will increase on the power drainage. 4. Adjust the appearance and performance. Click on Search. Here type in Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click to open. Now go on removing the unwanted animation options that makes your computer to run slow. After apply and then press OK. 5. Turn on Storage Sense. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Here type to search Storage Sense. Click to open. Make sure that this option is turned on. Now move under Temporary Files. Click on Remove Files, and then tap on Continue. Done. 6. Delete temporary files from Windows. Press Ctrl+ letter R on your keyboard. This will open up the Run. Now type in %temp%. Click on OK. Now here you will find lot of temporary files. Press Ctrl+ letter A to select all files. Then click on Delete option. Now under the Recycle bin, right-click and then select Empty Recycle bin. Click on Yes to delete all of them. 7. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Now type in temp without %sign. Click on OK. Click Continue. Now for me, I already deleted these files, but in other computer you will find lot. So select all of them, and then click on Delete option. Again go into Recycle bin. Right-click. Select Empty Recycle bin. And then lastly, right-click on Start. Select Run. There type in the word Prefetch. Click to open. Here click on Continue. Now select all these files. Then click on Delete. After go and empty the recycle bin. All those steps will speed your computer faster. So that's it. Until next time.